Hi, my name is Laura. Today I'm going to talk about how I think that we will probably are in the future. So we are going to start. Okay, if people take advantage of the technology, I think that in 50 years people will definitely have robots in their lives. Over the years, the technology is changing. And today have a robot is very expensive, but in few years a lot of people are going to have robots in their house for do their houseworks, their jobs, and a robot can do a lot of things. But maybe you are thinking that have a robot may make us more lazy. But I think that in the future people will certainly be more healthy, more fitness. And this is because today the people is doing exercise in the gym, in their house, or people is practicing some sports. I think that in 50 years people will certainly accept to gay people, to lesbian women, to transgender people. And in 50 years, the racism won't exist. Uh, Also, I think in the idea that maybe corruption won't exist. Also, I think that people might be more friendly, more honest, and there won't be thieves in 50 years. Also, I think that in 50 years people may not contaminate. If you contaminate the environment, you will have a severe punish. Also, I think that thanks to this pandemic, the COVID, in the future, may people may be more united with their families. I say this because today people is more focused on their jobs, their studies, and people is forgetting to their families. We are not passing time with the family, and the family is the most important. Um, Also, I think that if the governments don't fix the healthcare system, um, in the future we may don't have hospitals, and the people might be more sick, and also we will have a lot of dead people. For this reason, it's necessary change the healthcare system. Today the healthcare system sucks. Really, really sucks. Uh, in the future we will have many things of the movie Back to the Future, like the flying cars, the skateboard. If you see, today we have a lot of things of that movie, like the smart TV, the tablets, and the Nike tennis. Also, the communication may be different. For example, we can communicate with a hologram. In the hologram, you can touch the things, something like that. Uh, Obviously, in the future, many things will be handled by our voice and with facial recognition. And an example is for in on our house. If you wanna in on your house, only with your face and with your voice, you are going to in. If you think today in our phones we have that technology. For that reason, I think that in 50 years we will definitely have that technology in our house. And that is all. Thank you.